Señoras y señores, this is done. I'm so excited today because I went to my butcher friend, Fred, the Flintstone, and he did to me, he sold it to me. Look at this, a Flintstone steak. I love it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to remove the plastic bag. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this steak. It's around 2 inches. It's pork, of course. And this is the back leg of the pork. Last time I did, actually, we grilled a turkey. If you don't saw the video, go and see it. You're gonna love it. Yeah, I got a barbecue in this piece. And I make it happen. Sticky. Now I got a sticky porky hands. And we're gonna do a wrap together. We're going to cook it very slow until I have the tendency that I want. I don't want pulled pork. I want to make sure that it has a kind of texture. You know the rules, no? The pork. Never cook the pork less than 145 degrees. Why? Well, even though people say it's not trichinosis no more in US, on the Caesar certification that you had to take when you working in the food industry, they're still talking about trichinosis and the temperature, safe temperature that you need to cook this. So make sure that you cook in minimum 145, or you can put it in the freezer if you like to do that too. I do it when I do prosciuttos or some kind of cured meat and it gets pork. I put it on the freezer 1 day per pound, and that kills the parasite. The parasite is a worm, and they live on the hog. When you eat it and you don't kill it, they go to the blood in the stream and they like surface fats. So I don't know why they're coming up and they receive and they go to your brain and they start to eat it, the brain. Disgusting. So internal temperature of the pork always gonna be 145 minimum. And wild animals, for sure. For the wrap, you will need 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, coffee, ground coffee. Use any kind you like. In this case, it's Arabic from Colombia. Coffee originally coming from Africa. That went to all Arabic Peninsula. From there, the plant was moving to Around. It's always on the tropical area of the planet. And you need 1 teaspoon of chili, garlic, paprika, sweet, Argentinian chili. You can use whatever chili you want. I prefer don't go too spicy, but you can red pepper if you want. If you use red pepper, you don't want it too spicy, use less than 1 teaspoon. And onions. So let's do these. Salt, coffee, and all the spices. Now let's go back to the steak. I'm going to put the plastic back. And I'm going to use glove for these. Now, a little bit of oil, olive oil, like that. So the wrap is thick. Why am I use this rack? Because they got less surface, so the wrap they don't stick on the pan that much. They got more on the meat. That's what I want. And now let's do this freely all over meat. Don't make chunks of spices, because when you eat it, you're gonna have that kind of flavor. You don't want that. Make sure that you spread it up very evenly. All right, I got it. Oh, look at this. We used it all of them. Perfect mix. I was not sure it's gonna be enough or too much. It was perfect. All right, look at this. So I'm gonna leave it like that for like 20 minutes. Remember, I don't let it rest too much. You see the amount of this is wrong. Oh God, putting too much in there. Imagine you get a bite of that chunk of spices. Ugh, you're gonna hate it. Okay, let's talk about the barbecue pit. I got this one, which doesn't have the chamber for the wood. So I'm gonna start the fire over this section where the air comes through. The air goes through this direction and push the heat and the smoke go up inside the chamber. Someone goes out from the exit in here, but the rest gonna continue going around. I'm gonna put the meat over this section over here. That way it's indirect. I don't gonna go more than 275 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, 275 temperature is perfect. So let's put the grill together. Beautiful. Look at it. So, it is. Perfect. And you know what? I don't see that much fire here, so I'm gonna turn it this direction. So this way I'm gonna protect the little heat coming from here. That would be good. All right. Stand up on wood. Always like to do with pork apple. So some pizza apple wood. See you in a couple hours. The smoke, beautiful. Very fatty sauce. I have cilantro, onion, jalapeno, garlic, and a lemon, oil, pepper, salt. Let's chop these very fast. And a half. I'm gonna use just half. I remove the seeds and the veins. You can leave it if you like to, but I just think it's sometimes a little too hot for me. Jalapeno plenty here. Now my sauce here. So now let's do salt. I would say half a teaspoon pepper, another half a teaspoon. I'm gonna use a lemon. Again, the knife from the floor. Gee, man. I'm gonna use a lemon. Half of that. Just clear some acidity. We'll be fine. Maybe. Okay, I got orange juice in my spray bottle, and I'm going to spread it over the steak. Let's see how they looks like. They pass around hour and a half. So let's watch it. Let's watch it. Watch it. Oh, market. Oh, hour and a half past. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Not much. That's it. Ay, ay, ay. Mira lo que es esto, mamita. I cannot watch it no more, or I'm gonna lose heat. That's it. Well, you know, 2.5, 3 hours. Wrong. Well, like 4 hours exactly, and now I think it's ready. I can leave it for another hour to make pork, but again, I want texture. So for me, it's done. Let's check it out. Come on. Open it. Look at this. What do you think? Look at that. Look at the juice. And then it's still firm, but I love it. So what am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna take it on the board and I'm gonna let it rest for like a minute or so. No more than that. I'm gonna break the rules or let it rest. I'm so hungry and this looks so good that I'm not gonna wait anything. So look at this. What do you think? Hey, mamita. 2 minutes. I know, you gotta let it rest for like a 35 minutes, but you know what? I'm hungry and this looks incredible. Look at this. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut a pizza. I'm gonna cut pizza here. Oh, here. Look at this. Oh. Look at this. I'm gonna try. Oh. Okay, cameraman, with one hand, try. Let's see if you can. Let's see if you can handle it. I'm gonna use a big knife for this. You know, all day long, the only what I did is drop in the floor. Look at this. I don't think I need a knife for this. I think I can do it that way. A little in here. Now, I want to try. Sorry, I'll be right back. I'm going to try the sauce. Put a little bit of the sauce. Again, you can use barbecue sauce, but this is a Tex-Mex taco. And the first taco going to be for the cameraman. Let me have the camera. Oh yeah. Try and let me know what you feel about it.
Incredible.